Ayan. So, mga mi, meron akong i-introduce na bagong app. I don't know if it's new app, but it's a good app. It's a Gemini notebook. So, yeah, I will send the link or I will post the link. So, you just have to click it and then you're gonna be routed there. And then, as you can see, click mo lang yung upload files. And then, dapat may ready-made ka na lesson plan for this. So, I already prepared it. I used ChatGPT as well to create my lesson plan. Good for a day. And then afterwards, you just hit OK, upload, and it will be uploaded on that part. Ayan. So you just have to wait for it, and it will read. The Gemini notebook will read it. Once the Gemini notebook read it, that's the time that you're gonna be having like notes. So you can check kung ano yung mga nakasulat dyan na notes if it's needed for your presentation and whatnot. Ayan, dinouble check ko yung mga notes na yan. So far for me, hindi naman siya sobrang needed. Pero I tried to generate and look for it to make sure na may mga important notes na mai-include dun sa aking PowerPoint presentation. So, sobrang ganda nitong PowerPoint generator AI because it's very easy and you just have to wait for a couple of minutes and it will generate you the beautiful output that I'm gonna be showing you guys later on after the processing itself. So yan, chika-chika ko lang kung ano yung mga dapat yung malaman regarding sa notebook, Gemini notebook, which is so cool. Right? So, alam ko hindi na to bago, but it's very helpful for us teacher, lalo na kung wala tayong oras. And we have a specific target lesson. Ayan. So, as you can see dun sa studio tab, meron kang option to choose from kung ano yung gusto mong i-generate. Like, if you're gonna choose for slide deck, you are gonna choose for audio overview, you're gonna choose for video overview, mind map, flashcards, quiz, and whatnot. So for me, I'll automatically go for slide deck or the PowerPoint presentation. So yeah, matatagalan lang pag nag-generate, no? You have to wait at least, you must have a patience, like 10 to 15 minutes. And then there you go, that's the output, or that's the outcome. See how beautiful it is. Sobrang classy, appropriate for the age, which is so cool. Ang ganda. Tuwang-tuwa yung mga estudyante ko and they find it like magical. Ayan, nagamit ko siya in my class a while ago. So you can see, yun na yung mga na-generate ni Gemini notebook. And they're all having the speaking prompt. They're doing or creating a sentence here, with their partner and whatnot. So yeah, speaking prompt. So they're gonna talk with their seatmate. They will have to do the second conditional. That's my lesson actually a while ago. But yeah, thanks for watching.